Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to session number 7 of the Spire Boot Camp Visions. और आज हम लोग बाबरा शेर की जो किताब मैंने आपको भेजी थी, विश क्राफ्ट, उसके चंद इम्पोर्टेंट, आई थिंक पता नहीं कितनी स्लाइड्स है, मुझे याद भी नहीं है, लेकिन चंद इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेजेस हैं। और वो भी किताब के उस हिस्से से हैं जो बार्न रेजिंग से पहले है। वो मैं आपके सामने पढ़ूंगी, और अगर उसमें कोई ऐसी बात है, कोई सवाल है, तो आप प्लीज चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिएगा। एंड देन वी विल गो ओवर टू हाउ टू मेक अ विजन बोर्ड, इंशाल्लाह। सो लेट मी जस्ट स्क्रीन शेयर। ओके जी। All right. So the name of the book is Wishcraft, and all of us now know, we have watched TED Talks by the author. Her name is Barbara Sher. She was born in the early 1930s, and she passed away in 2020. And she is, like we say among ourselves, she's a big hole in the universe. It's like, we miss her. Her wisdom, and her anecdotes and her experience. She was working with people since, I think, 19, if I say 1957, 1958, that is even before I was born. So this is like, she was a treasure. She passed away in 2020, and she left many books, but the main message, her legacy is this book. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गो ओवर चंद इसमें से इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन्स हैं जो हम देखेंगे। अगर उसमें कोई मुश्किल कॉन्सेप्ट है तो आप मुझसे ज़रूर पूछें, और मैं भी कोशिश करूंगी कि अगर उसमें मुझे कोई मुश्किल बात नज़र आती है तो वो मैं आपके लिए क्लियर कर दूं। सो लेट्स जस्ट प्रोसीड। विनिंग टू मी मीन्स गेटिंग व्हाट यू वांट। अब और इससे हम सबको अग्री करना पड़ेगा। This is what we think is winning. I needed this, and um, I got it. Not what your father and mother wanted for you, but what you think you can realistically get in the world. But what you want, your wish, your fantasy, your dream. You're a winner when you have a life you love, so that you wake up every morning excited about the day ahead and delighted to be doing what you're doing, even if you are sometimes a little nervous and scared. And for everybody here, मैं इसमें एक इजाफा करूंगी कि नर्वस एंड स्केर्ड तो हम होते हैं, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा हम लोग डिसअप्रूव्ड होते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में, जहाँ पे हमारे माँ बाप, हमारे स्पाउसेस, लोगों के ओपिनियंस ये डिटरमिन कर रहे होते हैं कि हमें क्या सोचना चाहिए। इन रियलिटी देखें, जब ये कह भी रही हूँ, आई साउंड स्टूपिड। हाउ कैन समबडी नो कि मुझे क्या सोचना चाहिए, या मुझे कैसे पता चल सकता है कि आपको क्या सोचना चाहिए? वी आर ऑल इंडिविजुअल्स। ओके, सो शी मेक्स इट वेरी क्लियर राइट इन द बिगिनिंग कि आप किसी का ओपिनियन नहीं है, आप किसी की इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है। आप अपने लिए इस दुनिया में आए हैं, और आपने इस दुनिया में काम भी अपने लिए करना है। And then she says, I keep crashing and blaming myself. It wasn't until I gave up on ever fixing myself, fixing me, and tried to improvise a set of aids that would work for me anyway, that I stumbled on the real secret behind the scenes of all successful people's lives. So, it's not something in me that needs to be fixed. ये बहुत जबरदस्त इसका एक कॉन्सेप्ट है। What I need, मुझे अपनी विजन में, सबसे पहले तो अपनी विजन बनाने में, और उसके बाद उसको हासिल करने में, और अपनी जिंदगी में वैसे कामयाब होने में, जो कुछ मुझे चाहिए वो ऑलरेडी मेरे पास है। you know and if we can start at bare basics. I have my six senses and they are working. I have my mind and it is working. I do so many things. मैं लोगों के लिए इतना कुछ करती हूँ, तो क्या मैं अपने लिए वो सब कुछ नहीं कर सकती? मैं लोगों को इतने अच्छे अच्छे मशवरे देती हूँ, कभी मैंने खुद उन मशवरों पे अमल किया है? It's not superhero genes and a jaw of steel, like like the myths will say, it's something much simpler. It's know how and support. ये दो लफ्ज हैं, दो terms हैं. Know how, कैसे जाना है, क्या करना है, and support. और एक दूसरे के बगैर ये बेकार है. If you know where you're going but you don't have support, you're nowhere. If you have a lot of support but you don't know where you're going, it's going to be a circus. Okay. So then I really like this chapter, this part of the book where she says, "Who do you think you are?" And then she gives an exercise. Take a blank sheet of paper and in a few sentences to half a page, answer the question, "Who do you think you are?" The roles and goals की जो exercise मैंने आपको कराई थी ना, उसमें आप जो कुछ आपने लिखा था, देखें उसके लिए ये क्या कह रही है. There are no right and wrong answers, and there's only one rule. Don't think too long or hard. Put down the first and the surest thing that comes to your mind. And then, this is me. Okay? लेकिन इसके बाद ये बताती है कि you throw away this piece of paper. This piece of paper is not you. जो आप सोचते हैं, जैसे रोल्स एंड गोल्स में था, मैं किसी की बेटी हूँ, किसी की बीवी हूँ, किसी की माँ हूँ, किसी की दोस्त हूँ. That is not you. That is just your roles. Okay. So, and then she delves into finding yourself. The clues to your life path are not lost, they're just scattered and, hidden. Some of them right under your nose. They need to be gathered together and carefully examined before you can begin to know how to design a life that truly fits you. A life that will make you feel like jumping out of the bed in the morning to meet the world. A little scared at times maybe, but fully alive. ये जो है ना, ये लिटमस टेस्ट है. ये जो इसने यहाँ बताया है ना, कि आप हर सुबह एक्साइटेड उठते हैं. You don't wait for the weekend और आप ये कहें कि बस वीकेंड कब आएगा, अल्लाह अकबर, कि so I can do things that I like. And that is most of us. That is most of us. This is the kind of life we are living. So life again, this is like if you want to put something in front of you as a mission, life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. That is the message that she gives. जो brainstorming वाला हिस्सा है ना, उसका अगर कोई हासिल मैसेज है, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, ये हासिल आयत है, ये पूरी सूरत समझा रही है. सो अगर कोई हासिल मैसेज है तो वो ये है कि लाइफ इज नॉट अबाउट फाइंडिंग योरसेल्फ. इट्स नॉट दैट ओ माय गॉड आई नीड टू फाइंड माई सेल्फ, आई लॉस्ट माई सेल्फ. लाइफ इज अबाउट क्रिएटिंग योरसेल्फ. लाइफ इज नॉट हैपनिंग टू यू, लाइफ इज हैपनिंग फॉर यू. ये एलन वॉट्स के वर्ड्स हैं एंड दे आर जस्ट यू नो दे आर mind boggling if you think about it. So, and then she gives an example, ये support जब हम ढूंढते हैं. So she says, if a seed is given good soil and plenty of water and sun, it doesn't have to try to unfold. It doesn't need self-confidence or self-discipline or perseverance. It just unfolds. बस ये सीड का काम ही ये है ना, कि उसने एक प्यारा सा पौधा बनाना है. So it does that. As a matter of fact, it cannot help unfolding. So, given the right environment, all of us are supposed to unfold, are supposed to grow, are supposed to give benefit, are supposed to shine. But what is our problem? The notion of competition, the idea that there is someone out there just like you, only better, is untrue. What's more, it keeps your attention focused away from yourself. हम लोग तो देखें, हम लोग तो जब प्रेप क्लास में दाखिल होते हैं ना, तो पोजीशन की दौड़ में हमें ये एहसास दिला दिया जाता है कि ये तुमसे अच्छा है और तुम इससे अच्छे हो. That is how our entire upbringing is. बहन भाइयों में कंपैरिजन होता है, कजिन्स में कंपैरिजन होता है. तुम वैसे क्यों नहीं हो सकते, और तुम वैसे मार्क्स क्यों नहीं स्कोर कर सकती. This is our life, and we really need to unlearn that. Instead of looking, and there is a struggle to meet the ill-fitting standards of other people instead of looking inside and discovering your own. The thing, see, this is something that I heard at Aga Khan University. Somebody was saying, oh, Aga Khan is the standard of Harvard in US. And one of my teachers said, हम अपने आप को हार्वर्ड से क्यों कंपेयर करें? हमारा उनके साथ क्या काम है? हमने अपने excellence के standards बनाने हैं. And that was the first time I heard that I can have my own standards. Harvard may be very good, but I'm not Harvard. I am Aga Khan. You know, you may be excellent, but I am not you. I don't want to be like you. I don't want to be you. I'm happy the way I am. You know, the things that are unique and incomparable about you are the only basis on which you can design a life that will truly satisfy you. If I design a life around your standards, imagine, or if you design a life around my standards, that's not possible. And it's not going to make you happy, even if you make it possible. And it is you who must be satisfied. There is no authority outside who can tell you what is right for you. Okay, so this is an exercise that, like we did roles and goals, and we had a real family there. This is an imaginary family. And she describes her imaginary family. उसने आइंस्टाइन को भी डाला हुआ है, उसमें उसने कितने एक्टर्स को डाला हुआ है. बस she likes them or she seeks their advice. ऐसे लोग जिनको वो, she looks up to them. Then she sort of, sits with those people in her imagination and she asks them what they think of her and what is their advice for her. And it actually works for her. When you have role played, each member of your family in turn go back and read through their answers. You will have a comprehensive portrait of what is right in you. So, and if I sit down, one of my ideals is Sayyidina Umar Raziallah Ta'ala anhu. And I have done this exercise and I have sort of, not sat with them, but I have asked him in my imagination, what do you think of this that I did? And what do you think is good about me? And what do you think I have that I can help you in your mission? And I have gotten amazing answers. I mean, this was, of course, after reading a lot about Hazrat Umar. But it is, it sounds very difficult, or it sounds maybe comical and funny, but it is an excellent exercise. And then she gives you this idea of 20 things you would like to do. And I've written pages here, so I'll send you this presentation. How long since this thing was done. So 20 things that I like, okay? Does it cost money or is it free? Is it alone or is it done with someone? Is it planned or spontaneous? Is it job related? Is there a physical risk involved? Is it fast or slow paced? Is it about the mind or the body or the soul or the spirit? Soul or spirit. So, then these are very simple exercises with very, very deep reaching effects, very deep reaching exploration that only, this woman was a bachelor's in anthropology. So, and she often joked about her degree and she said that a degree didn't get me any job. But the insights that she has in human psyche must be coming from the degree that she had, because they're very deep insights that she helps you develop. Okay, she gives two concepts. Once you sort of have a rough idea of what you like, she doesn't call it vision, doesn't call it mission, goal, nothing. She just says, this is what you like. If you have this, if you do this, it will make your life better. It will make you happy. It'll make you feel fulfilled. Touchstone, the concept of touchstone, and I think आप लोगों को ये पढ़ना भी चाहिए. Touchstone is the emotional core of your goal. Like, remember, I told you purpose of vision. See, what I am teaching is my material. I'm using her as a reference because I use many references. So the purpose of vision जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाई थी वो इसके इस touchstone जैसे concept जैसी है. What is it जो आपके हाथ में हो, hardcore, that you can feel and you can know that now you have achieved something, now you are feeling fulfilled. So it will not only help you pick a target that is loaded with the kind of sweets that nourish you, it will also show you how to design the shortest, most direct and gratifying route to that goal. एंड इट विल, जब अगर आप अपने गोल का और अपनी विजन का एक टच स्टोन बनाएं, आप कहें कि ये चीज जब मेरे पास होगी ना, तो मैं कहूंगी कि हाँ, मैंने ये गोल हासिल कर लिया, या आई एम ऑन द करेक्ट पाथ. ओके. एंड द सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट विद अलोंग विद द टच स्टोन इज रोल मॉडल. कि रोल मॉडल वो है जैसे आप बनना चाहते हैं, जिसने कोई ऐसा वो काम किया हुआ है जो आप करना चाहते हैं. You probably already have at least one role. Like I told you, I used to imagine conversations with a Sahabi. And it was very spontaneous. It was when I started thinking, I need a goal, I need a vision, I need a mission. And I studied many people, not studied, I thought about many people that always inspired me, and he was top of the list. फॉर मी, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू कि आप मेरे ही रोल मॉडल को अपना आपके लिए और होंगे. whom do you particularly admire? Whose life and achievement do you covet, you want to achieve? Role models are not only good for role definition, but for inspiration, encouragement, and practical guidance. If anyone anywhere on planet Earth has done what you want to do, it means that you can do it too. अब रोल मॉडल का जो सबसे बड़ा फायदा इसने बताया, ये मैंने और कहीं नहीं पढ़ा, कि देखो मैंने एक रोल मॉडल बना लिया, मेरा ये रोल मॉडल है, और उस रोल मॉडल ने अपनी जिंदगी में वो काम किया हुआ है जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ. इसका मतलब ये है कि वो काम इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, वो मुझसे पहले किसी ने किया हुआ है. एंड इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल एट ऑल. ओके. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द लास्ट स्लाइड. हाँ, डीलिंग विद हार्ड टाइम्स, और ये बहुत अच्छा बताती है, क्योंकि शी herself was a single mother who at the age of 20 something arrived in New York. I mean, she arrived in an atmosphere जिसने इसको बहुत nurture किया, because New York was उस वक्त वो एक self improvement वाली movement जो थी, वो इतनी actively नहीं शुरू हुई थी. She is one of the pioneers जिसने ये चीज डाली है. इसकी कैसेट टेप्स होती थी, उस जमाने की है ये. आप लोग जो यहाँ सुन रहे हैं, शायद आप में से कितनों ने वो देखी भी नहीं होंगी कैसेट टेप्स कैसी होती हैं. घर के आपको इधर उधर स्टोर्स में शायद अपने अम्मी अब्बू की पड़ी हुई नजर आती हो. और हम भी लाइक इट वाज आवर चाइल्डहुड व्हेन लोग कैसेट टेप्स पे सुनते थे चीजें, और हम कैसेट्स खरीदते थे और उनको रिकॉर्ड करते थे और सारा कुछ. So that is when she started, giving, I would say, like sessions, and जो आजकल जिसको हम ब्लॉग कहते हैं, या जो हमारी पॉडकास्ट्स होती हैं, इसने वो स्टार्ट किया था बैक इन आई थिंक इवन बिफोर 1960. And so she gave very heartfelt advice because she had been through a lot. So make it a point to ask for this kind of healing attention when you need it. Ask people. There are three little words that have been missing from our vocabulary. Please just listen. So, like telling somebody that I'm not seeking advice, I just need you to listen. Okay. And then she says कि जो सुन रहा है वो भी ना फेक करे, और जो सुना रहा है वो भी ना फेक करे. And that's, like I said, this is the end of the slideshow. So basically, these are some messages that I needed to share from the book that I sent you. अब आपको इसका काफी अंदाजा हो गया होगा कि it's not a simple book. You need to go over it again and again, and you need to follow whatever she is saying. जो वो बता रही है ना, जो वो मशवरे दे रही है, ये करो, ये करो, ये देखो, ये लिखो, वो आपने वैसा ही करना है जैसे वो बता रही है. Then you will get real benefit. Okay. So I'm going to this has been a short session. We still have time, but I think अगर हम एक ब्रेक लेकर 5 मिनट की ब्रेक लेते हैं, और उसके बाद मैं आके आपके सामने एक विजन बोर्ड बनाऊंगी. ओके. यू कैन गो ओवर द जो भी you can just chill, you can have tea, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. So the time here is 6:30 in the morning. So I will be back at my 6:35 and at 3:35 Pakistan time. ठीक है जी? Okay. I think that's all I needed to say for the presentation. All my love and dua. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.